Hello, this is Chris with All States Home Improvement. We're out here in Andale on a window replacement project. Just have some things I want to share with you. I just wanted to show you what the existing window looked like prior to us getting started. This had the existing aluminum trim covering on over the wood, and it's concealing a lot of hidden damage inside. Well, this particular customer called us to look at replacing our windows. They were concerned about a lot of wood rot that was underneath these existing windows, and concerns were correct. There's a lot of wood decay. And this is unfortunately common, some things that we find and we're replacing the windows. And the problem with that is water's getting down and potentially down in the wall cavity and causing further damage inside. So the other things that they were having problems with, these windows that they have are very drafty, a lot of air traveling in and out, year round. And also an immense amount of heat traveling through this glass to the inside, so it was very uncomfortable. So in the process of replacing these windows, we're going to be repairing the wood that's bad, putting new wood in there, and then putting a new vinyl replacement window in, and it's going to do a great job of keeping that heat out in the summertime, keeping the heat in the wintertime and the cold air in the wintertime from traveling in. So, and then we're going to finish up with recovering all of this exterior trim, make it look real nice, and doing it in a way that we're going to keep the water out, causing this from happening ever again. So we'll show you a few more things. We're all finished out here with our window project in Andale. We've finished all the exterior trim. We had some wood repair that we had to take care of before we wrapped and covered all the woodwork. All the windows are installed, everything's insulated really good. Trim work's all done, looks absolutely beautiful. It's all sealed up and caulked real nice. Just done in a way that we can feel really good about keeping water out, keeping the air out, any issues like that. So everything really turned out great. Customers are extremely satisfied with everything.